Hello students, in previous class we discussed about some of the examples on geometric progression. Now today we will discuss some more examples on geometric progression. First one, evaluate sigma k equal to 1 to 11 2 plus 3 raised to k. This is the question. So it is summation of k equal to 1 to 11 2 plus 3 power k. This value we have to calculate. So the given notation is k equal to 1 to 11 2 plus 3 raised to k. This is the given condition. Now meaning of this is it is k is considered from 1 to 11. If you take k equal to 1 you get 2 plus 3 power 1. Next term, if you take k equal to 2 you get 2 plus 3 power 2 plus if you take k equal to 3 it is 2 plus 3 power 3 and so on up to last term k equal to 11. Now here we take two separate last term means it is k equal to 11 means 11 plus 3 power 11 2 plus 3 power 11 the last term of this sequence. Now here 2 we take separate 2 plus 2 plus 2 up to 11 times it is take 11 times 2 separate plus here we take 3 first after that we get 3 square plus 3 cube dash dash 3 raised to 11 it is separated. Now I will take separate 2 one side and 3 powers one side. 2 powers taken separate that is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 up to 11 times. Now that means 2 is added 11 times means 2 into 11 you are getting first plus it is geometric progression. Here it is a value is 3 in this one and r value is 3 square by 3 it is equal to 3. Now we are using the formula sum to n terms of GP. Here 3 is greater than 1 we get a r raised to n minus 1 by r minus 1 it is 22 plus a value is 3 r value is 3 n value is 11 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Now it is 22 plus 3 into 3 power 11 minus 1 and it is divided by 2. Now it is the value of given expression that is sigma k equal to 1 to 11 2 plus 3 power k. Similar to this, we go for another example that is sigma k equal to 1 to 10 into 1 plus 2 raised to k. So sigma k equal to 1 to 10 1 plus 2 power k. Now it is k value is taken from 1 to 10 for that it is written like that 1 plus 1 it is first term 1 plus 2 raised to 1 plus k equal to 2 1 plus 2 raised to 2 k equal to 3 1 plus 2 raised to 3 dash dash last term is 1 plus 2 raised to 10 like this you write. Now we take separate 1 separate 1 plus 1 up to 10 times plus here separating 2 power one side 2 power 1 2 power 2 2 power 3 dash dash 2 power 10. Now it is 1 is adding up to 10 times means 1 into 10 you are getting here plus it is a value 2 r value is 2 because 2 square by 2 is 2. Now you can use again same formula it is greater than 1 It is a r raised to n minus 1 by r minus 1. It is 10 plus a value is 2. It is 2 raised to 10. N value is 10 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. Now we get 10 plus, it is 2 into 2 raised to 10, answer is 1024 minus 1 divided by 1. Now it is 10 plus 2 into 1023, we are getting, it is 10 plus, multiplying this, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, it is 2056. So this is the value of this given sigma notation. Next example, the sum of first 3 terms of a GP is 39 by 10 and their product is 1. Find the common ratio and the terms. Find the common ratio and the terms. So this is the question. Now here we find the 3 numbers which are in geometric progression under the condition that their sum is equal to 39 by 10 and their product is equal to 1. So for this type of example, we consider the terms like this. First term I will take, let a by r, a and ar are the 3 terms of, are their required 3 terms of given geometric progression. I have taken this because if you take common ratio of this and this, you get a by r, answer is r, ar by a, again it is r, therefore we get it is common ratio is constant, therefore they are in geometric progression only. Now we have to calculate what is the value of a and what is the value of r, and substituting in the given terms, that is a by r, a and r, we get the answer to given question. Now for that, first we go for the product is equal to the given it as 1. Product of these 3 numbers is 1. According to this, write a by r into a into r equal to 1. Now cancelling these 2 r's, we get a cube equal to 1. So a cube equal to 10 is 1 cube. Therefore a equal to 1. Hence we get the first term of the geometric progression as 1. Now go for second condition. What they given here? Sum of these 3 numbers is 39 by 10. Sum is 39 by 10. Sum means we can add all the 3 terms of this. We considered the terms as a by r plus a plus ar equal to, that is given as 39 by 10. This you have to write. This is the meaning of sum of 3 terms. Now LCM we take, LCM is r, it is multiplied by r, we get ar, it is also multiplied by r, ar square equal to 39 by 10. It is as it is. Here we got already a value, substitute here, a equal to 1, we get it is 1 plus ar means r plus r square by r equal to 39 by 10. Putting the value of a in the above equation, make cross multiplication. It is 10 into 1 plus r square equal to 39r. By making cross multiplication, now simplify 10 plus 10r plus 10r square equal to 39r. or you can write 10r square plus 10r minus 39r plus 10 equal to 0. Now taking 39r to this side, we get this one 10r square plus 10r minus 39r is minus 29r plus 10 equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation in R. We find the factors of this in such a way that the product is 100 and the sum is minus 29. For that we can find the two factors of R here. To get the product is 100, sum is minus 29. For that I will take it as minus 25 and minus 4 I will take. If we add minus 25 and minus 4 you get minus 29. And if you multiply this to 29, 25 into 4 is 100. These are factors that are written as 10r square minus 25r minus 4r plus 10 equal to 0. Now what is common here? 5 is common and r is common in these two. If you take common you get 2r minus 5. Here in these two 2 is common, again you get 2r minus 5. If you take minus to outside it becomes minus equal to 0. Again for both 2r minus 5 is common and second bracket is 5r minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore 2r minus 5 equal to 0 or 5r minus 2 equal to 0 we get. So r equal to 5 by 2 or r equal to 2 by 5. So these are values of r by using this condition. Now we substitute this r value as 5 by 2 one time and 2 by 2 one time in these terms. Along with a value 1 we get the two answers for this one. Now we substitute a equal to 1, r equal to 5 by 2 in the terms a by r, a and r. We consider the terms as these three, a by r, a and r. Substitute now a value is 1 and r equal to 5 by 2 in this. We get first a by r. A by r means 1 by 5 by 2. A is 1. It is a r means 5 by 2. Then the numbers are 2 by 5, 1 and 5 by 2. It is the first answer. Second, we go for a is 1, r is 2 by 5. It is the second value of r. Then the terms are again a by r, a r. For this, substituting this a value 1 and r is 2 by 5, get 5 by 2, 1, 2 by 5. These are three terms. We must write two answers for this one by taking r first time 5 by 2 and by taking r 2 by 5 we get two answers. Therefore the answer is 2 by 5, 1, 5 by 2 or 5 by 2, 1, 2 by 5. These are the three terms according to given condition. Now similar to this one I will give another example, that is the sum of first three terms of GP is 19 by 6 and their product is 1. Find the common ratio and the terms. In previous example we get common ratio 2, that is 5 by 2 and 2 by 5. It is also similar to this. Here also we consider the three terms must be a by r, a and r are the three required terms. Now product is 1. Again product is 1 given. We make product a by r, a into r equal to 1. By cancelling we get a cube equal to 1 and we get a value is 1 and sum is 19 by 6. So 19 by 6 means we substitute here the value of this sum as 19 by 6. So it is 19 by 6. Put r value as 1. We get it is 19 by 6. Again by cross multiplication we get it is 6 times of 1 plus r square, that is 19r. Now we simplify 6 plus 6r plus 6r square equal to 19r. We take 19r to this side. R square 6r square plus 6r minus 19r plus 6 equal to 0. 6r square minus 19 plus 6 is minus 13r plus 6 equal to 0. Now again factors of this, the product is 36, sum is minus 13. The factors are minus 9 and minus 4, 6r square minus 9r minus 4r plus 6 equal to 0. These are two factors. Now what is the common here? 3 is common, r is common. We get 2r minus 3. Here 2 is common. Again we get 2r minus 3 equal to 0. Now first bracket 2r minus 3, second bracket 3r minus 2 equal to 0. 2r minus 3 equal to 0 or 3r minus 2 equal to 0. R equal to 3 by 2 or r equal to 2 by 3. These are two values of r. Similar to previous, we find two answers for this also. First we consider it is a value 1, a equal to 1 and r equal to 3 by 2. Terms are, what are the terms we considered? A by r, a by r means it is 1 by 3 by 2 means 2 by 3, 1, 3 by 2, a value. Similarly, if you take second, a value 1, r value 2 by 3, the required terms are, it is a by r, a. Here we get a by r value as 1 by 2 by 3 means 3 by 2, 1, 2 by 3. These are two answers for given example. Next example. How many terms of GP 3 raised square negative dash s are needed to give the sum 120. The question: how many terms are needed to give the sum 120? Means they given sum to n terms of GP and it is asked to find total number of terms. So they given that Sn equal to 120, n is question mark. The given sequence is 3, 3 square, 3 cube and so on. Clearly a value is 3, r value is 3 square by 3, it is 3. R value got, a value got. Now we can use formula for Sn. Here a is greater than 1, we write a into r raised to n minus 1 by r minus 1. It is sum to n terms of GP. Put Sn equal to 120 given. A value is 3 into, it is 3 power n minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Now 120 equal to 3 into 3 power n minus 1 divided by 2. By cross multiplication we get 120 into 2 equal to 3 into 3 raised to n minus 1, or 240 equal to 3 into 3 raised to n minus 1. Now simplifying this we get 240 by 3, take 3 to this side, it is 3 raised to n minus 1, 3 1 the 3 at the cancel, 80 equal to 3 raised to n minus 1 we are getting. Now take 1 to this side, 80 plus 1 equal to 3 power n, so 81 equal to 3 raised to n. 81 can be written as 3 raised to 4 equal to 3 raised to n. Therefore n value is 4 for this, because bases are equal, powers are also equal for that one. Therefore the required value of n equal to 4. Therefore to get the sum 120 we need total 4 terms of this given geometric progression. Next similar question: how many terms of GP 2, 2 square, 2 cube dash dash are needed to give the sum 510? It is similar to previous question. Here the given sequence is 2, 2 square, 2 cube and so on. Clearly A value is 2, R value is 2 square by 2, it is 2. Now n is asked here, sum is given, sum to n terms is nothing but 510. Now once again go for Sn formula. Here a r value 2 greater than 1, we get a r raised to n minus 1 by r minus 1. This is required formula for Sn. It is given 510. A value is 2. It is 2 raised to n minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. So get 510 equal to 2 into 2 raised to n minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. And taking this 2 to this side, 510 by 2 is equal to, it is 2 raised to n minus 1. It is 255 equal to 2 raised to n minus 1. Because if you divide by this, we get 255. So I get 255 plus 1 equal to 2 raised to n. It implies 256 equal to 2 raised to n. 256 is nothing but 2 raised to 8 equal to 2 raised to n. Because if you multiply 2 8 times, you get 256. Here bases are equal, automatically power should be equal. Therefore n value is equal to 8. Therefore for getting the sum 510, we need total 8 terms for the given geometric progression. Next example: the sum of first 3 terms, of a GP is 16, and the sum of next 3 terms is 128. Determine its first term. Determine its first term. The common ratio and the sum to n terms of GP. n terms of GP. Now here they given that the sum of first 3 terms of GP is 16 and sum of next 3 terms is 128. Determine its first term and common ratio and also sum to n terms of GP. So we know that the terms of GP are nothing but A, AR, AR square, AR cube, AR raised to 4, AR raised to 5 and so on. Now here these are nothing but first 3 terms, these are next 3 terms. It is given that the sum of first 3 terms, sum of first 3 terms is 16 means A plus AR plus AR square equal to 16 given. Now here A is common, we are getting 1 plus R square equal to 16. Call this as equation number 1. And also it is given that the sum of next three terms is 128. Next three terms are nothing but ar cube, ar raised to 4, ar raised to 5. Sum means ar cube plus ar raised to 4 plus ar raised to 5 equal to, it is given 128. Now here what is the common in this? A is common, and also r square, r cube is also common. We get again 1 plus r square equal to 128. Call this as equation number 2. Now we calculate the first term and the common ratio. For that we can divide this equation by this equation, because they are common. 1 plus r square, here also 1 plus r square is common. They are removed by dividing 1 and 2. For that I will make it is 2 divided by 1 implies dividing 1 by 2. First we write 2 as ar cube into 1 plus r square equal to 128 divided by left hand side of 1 is a into 1 plus r square equal to, it is 128, it is 16. It is right hand side of equation number 1 and 2. Now clearly these two cancel, 1 plus r square cancel, this a also cancel, we get r cube. So 16 1 the 16 8 the, it is 8. Now r cube equal to 8 means it is 2 cube. Again powers are equal, bases should be equal, therefore r value is 2. Therefore we get first result, that is common ratio is equal to 2. Next we go for first term. For that you can use any equation. By 1 we write to get the value of a. By 1 we can use 1 plus r square equal to 16. Now put r value a into, it is 1 plus 2 square equal to 16. A into, it is 1 plus 2 plus 4 equal to 16. It is 6 plus 1 is 7, a equal to 16. Therefore a equal to 16 by 7. So this is the value of a. They asked to find the first term and the common ratio, that you have completed. That is a value is 16 by 7, that is first term, and the common ratio is 2. Again it is asked to find the sum to n terms of this GP. Now here r value is 2, it is again greater than 1. You can use the formula Sn equal to a r raised to n minus 1 by r minus 1. Substituting the values, a as 16 by 7 into r value is, it is 2 raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, that is 2 minus 1. So it is 16 by 7 into 2 raised to n minus 1. Here 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore Sn equal to 16 by 7 into 2 raised to n minus 1. It is sum to n terms of given geometric progression. Next example, given GP with a equal to 729 and 7 term is 64. Determine S7. Determine S7 means sum to 7 terms of GP. First they given that first term of AP, it is 729 and 7 term is 64, means A7 equal to 64, and it is asked to find S7. 7 term of this is how much? sum to 7 term of this GP. Now first we can use formula an equal to ar raised to n minus 1. If you put n equal to 7, we get a7 equal to a r raised to 7 minus 1. Now a7 value given already is 729 equal to a value a raised to a7 is 64. It is 729 into r raised to 6. Here r raised to 6 equal to get 64 by 729, like that we are getting. So r raised to 6 equal to 64 is nothing but 2 raised to 6. 729 is nothing but 3 power 6. Now we get r value. So r raised to 6 can be written as 2 by 3 raised to 6, because a raised to n by b raised to n equal to a by b raised to n. This indices formula are applying. Now here powers are equal, therefore bases should be equal. Therefore write r equal to 2 by 3. So first we calculate the common ratio like this. This is the common ratio of the given geometric progression. Here already we got that is a equal to 729 is given. A value, r value got 2 by 3, which is less than 1. Therefore you can use some formula Sn equal to a 1 minus r raised to n by 1 minus r. So they ask to determine S7 means you put n equal to 7. We get S7 equal to a value 729 into 1 minus r value get 2 by 3 raised to n value is 7 whole divided by 1 minus r. 1 minus r value is, it is 2 by 3 we are getting. Now it is 729, it is 1 minus 2 raised to 7 by 3 raised to 7 whole divided by LCM is 3. It is 3 minus 2. Now simplifying this, we get again it is same indices formula a raised to n by b raised to n equal to a by b raised to n. It is reverse, a by b raised to n is a raised to n by a raised to n. Now it is 729, it goes in the numerator into 3 into 1 minus 2 raised to 7 by 3 raised to 7. This stuff we got. Now it is simplified like this. It is 729 into 3 into 1 minus 2 raised to 7 divided by 3 raised to 7. Now it is 729 into 3 into LCM is 3 power 7. It is 3 power 7 minus 2 power 7. Now it is 3 power 6 into 3 into 3 power 7 minus 2 power 7 divided by 3 power 7. 3 power 6 into 3 is again 3 power 7 by indices formula. It is 3 power 7 minus 2 power 7 by 3 power 7. These two cancel. The value of 3 power 7 is 2187 minus it is 128. Now it is 2059. So this is the value of S7. It is sum to 7 terms of given geometric progression. Now you take some assignment questions for this geometric progression. First one, The sum of three terms of a GP is 13/3 and their product is 1. Find the common ratio and terms. Second one, evaluate sigma k equal to 1 to 12. It is 1 plus 2 raised to k. These two they are similar to previous questions only. The next class we go for some more examples on geometric progression.